Okay, welcome everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on the SEREY Wallet. What we're going to do first is we're going to go to the serey.io website, and to do that we're going to use Google to search for it and see what comes up. We've got SEREY here, we'll search for SEREY, and you'll see the first thing on the list in Google is serey.io, so we can go ahead and click on that, which should take us to the SEREY website. Now, when we come here, we're assuming at the moment we don't have the wallet installed or downloaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go and download the SEREY Wallet. You'll see at the top here there's two things that you can do. You can, well, there's three things, but there's two important things you have to do first. First you have to download the SEREY Wallet, and you also need to sign up. So just to demonstrate this kind of process, I'm going to go ahead and download the SEREY Wallet first. When you hover over this icon here, you see there's three options for your platform that you're using. Now, I'm using Windows version 64-bit, so I'm going to click on that, and that will instantly download me the setup file. When that's downloaded, I can go ahead and install that software, and that will be the wallet. Now, I've already got that installed, so what I'm going to do here is jump ahead and open that software. I'm not going to go through the installation setup of that. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've jumped into the software. I've opened that up, and when you open the software up, you're greeted with this sign-in page. On the sign-in page, you can enter your username and password and then click sign in, and of course that will enable you to sign in. But we're assuming at this point that you don't have an actual login credentials, so we're going to have to go and get that. SEREY doesn't allow you to register automatically. You actually have to go through a sign-up process and verify your identification first before you'll be given the sign-in credentials. So we're going to go and do that. We'll start by clicking on the sign up here. This is basically saying you've already got a username and you can sign up with that username, and you've already got your owner key to generate your password. Unfortunately at this point we don't have that. We don't have a username or we don't have an owner key. What we need to do is go ahead and get those things. Right, I'm back on the website. Before we did the download SEREY Wallet, that's already done. So the next thing we need to do before we can log in or do anything else is use the sign up. So if we click on sign up here, we're going to have to do some KYC. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out these forms. So I'm going to use a username of my actual name, which is Martin Kendrick, and we'll click next. And I'll put my phone number in as well. You will need to enter your phone number in the correct format to get that to work. So once all that's done, I can click next. So the next thing you're going to have to do is upload an image of yourself. Just clicking on these two things here and uploading the image of your identification and your actual selfie that you've taken. So I'm just going to go ahead and get those uploaded, and then I'm going to get back to you. Okay, I'm back and I've just uploaded my image of myself and the image of my identification. This next step it automatically takes you to is verifying this authentication. It sent a code to my phone number that I registered with, and I'm going to use that code now. Hopefully I've got this right and I can verify that. Now it's also asking me to apply a promo code. Well, actually, I don't have a promo code, but I'm going to go ahead and just type in something random and see if there really is a promo code typing in SEREY. So I'm going to apply that and see what happens. So this says the promo code is invalid or already expired, but perhaps you actually have a promo code that you can use here. So I don't have a code, so I'm just going to click next. Your request has been sent to our KYC system. I'm waiting for approval. Yeah, so I'm now going to have to wait for the next step as my account gets approved, and then we can go ahead with the rest of the tutorial. There is just one more thing on this page here. If you are actually referred by somebody to the SEREY platform, you can actually enter their SEREY username right here and click submit, and I guess they get some kind of referral for doing that. In this case, I don't have anyone that referred me, so I won't be filling that in, but it looks like there's a small typo in the example name. So I'll just click on submit here. Because I haven't entered anyone's referral username, nothing else is going to happen, and that is the end of the process. Okay, so after a short wait, my account has been approved by SEREY, and I'm going to go ahead and open the link that they sent me to get my credentials. So I'm just going to click that link first of all. And that's going to open a new window here, which I'm going to drag across onto my screen. Okay, it's talking about saving key. So this is a very important step. This key that you're about to get is the main key that you need to back up your account, reset your password, everything you need. So it's also going to be your key that you can use to log in to SEREY. So it does say here, very important, please make sure you save key. The key will be your password to log into SEREY. Right, so just make sure you're going to be keeping this very safe. We're going to click on receive key here. So now it's downloaded the key.txt file. So I can use this key now to log into serey.io, and if I click this go to serey.io, it will take me there in a new browser tab. What I actually want to do is go to the SEREY Wallet, and here I'm going to use my credentials. First thing I've got to do is got to go to the please sign up. So I'm going to this second page here. I'm going to put my username in, which is Martin Kendrick. And then we're going to go ahead and open my owner key file, the key.txt file. So as you can see, I've just gone through to where the file was downloaded. I've added that in here, and this is my owner key. You can't see any of it. It's all blanked out automatically. I'm going to click next. And on the next screen, it's asking me to create my credential. I can choose to upload a photo here, but I'm going to do that a bit later, I think. First of all, I'm going to put in a password. So I'm just going to type that in now. My very secure password, and then I'm going to confirm that password as well, and it seems to be good, so that's fine. I think my password satisfies all of that criteria, and we can go to next. So the next step is adding Google Authenticator. So we can open the Google Authenticator app on our phone, and we can go to add account. Right, so I have actually set that up now with the Google Authenticator. I'm going to go ahead and click finish because I've done that. And it said success, register account successful. So I think that's about it. I can actually just now go ahead and log in with my username and my password, which I'll do right now to go into the app. So one thing I want to add here, which is pretty important, is that you can use this password that you've just created to log into any of the SEREY apps. But if you want to log into the SEREY Wallet, you can use your password only on a computer where you've previously used your owner identification key. So this is really important. You must use your owner identification key at least one time on the computer you want to log into the wallet with to use your password. If you go to another computer, you won't be able to access the SEREY Wallet with just your password. This means that if somebody gets hold of your password, they can't actually get into your wallet where all your funds are stored. They would actually need to get your owner identification key first to then log in on that computer before they could use your password. So that's just one important point I just wanted to cover here before we carry on. And we're going ahead and to sign in, and hopefully this is going to ask us for the Google Auth code, which I've got right in front of me, and verify. Okay, great. So once I've verified my Google Auth code, I'm logged in to the SEREY Wallet. You can see this is a brand new wallet. I've got 0 SEREY coin here. I've got a little bit of SEREY power, which has obviously been put in automatically, and you can see that as of today, my new account has been sent 20 SEREY coin for signing up. So I'm going to leave the video there. That's going to be the video about signing up and logging into your SEREY Wallet. The next video I'm going to do is going to be talking about the actual features of the SEREY Wallet itself. So come back and watch the second part of this series. See you later.